Ratios are usually written with whole numbers, but there are many applications when the ratios are written as fractions. We'll look at some examples. A recipe calls for 1/4 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of water, as shown here. Using these measurements, the ratio of milk to water is 1/4 to 1/2. In other words, to properly follow the recipe, for every 1/4 cup of milk, there needs to be 1/2 cup of water. While you might want to keep this ratio written in fraction form, you can also rewrite it with whole numbers. Notice that 1/4 is half of 1/2. So the ratio 1/4 to 1/2 can also be rewritten as 1 to 2. So ratios that start in fractional form can sometimes be rewritten as whole number ratios. In this example, a recipe calls for 1/4 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of water, and 3/4 of a cup of flour. So the ratio of milk to water to flour is 1/4 to 1/2 to 3/4. Can this ratio be converted to one with whole numbers? The answer is yes, and here's how to do it. What we're looking to do is eliminate the denominators, leaving whole numbers in the ratio statement. There are two denominators, 4 and 2. So if we multiply all terms by 4, this will get rid of the denominators and change the numerators. The ratio then becomes 1 to 2 to 3. You can verify that the milk to water ratio is as before, 1 to 2, when written as whole numbers. Also notice that the ratio of milk to flour is 1 to 3, which is also correct.